Amen, Omas a breddi ar ei linell, a Penybont sy'n rhoi Penybont ar y blaen. Camgymeriad yn yr amddiffyn gan Aberystwyth. Mae Louis Bradford ar lawr, diffyg cyfathrebu yn y cefn, a Penybont yn manteisio i sgorio'i gôl gynta o'r tymor. Penybont wedi ennill 4 o'i 8 gêm gartre y tymor hwn yn yr uwch gyngrair. Hyd yn hyn o camgymeriad arall gan Rima, Amen mewn, Amen am ei ail. Amen yn manteisio unwaith eto ar gamgymeriad yn amddiffyn Aberystwyth. Penybont yn dyblu mantais, 2 gôl o fewn y cwarter awr cynta i dîm Rhys Griffiths. Penybont 2, Aberystwyth dim. Owen tuag at y postyn agosa! Ac mae mewn ac Amen. Trydydd i Amen ar y postyn agosa. Hat-trick mewn 20 munud. 2 gôl am y tymor, 2 gôl am y noson i ben Amen. Davies yn clirio Amen. Wood i gosod i nôl at Owen. A fe darodd un o'r amddiffynwyr ac allan am gic gornel. Oedd hi bron yn anorfod fydde tair yn droi'n 4. Davies yn cymanu'r bêl tuag at Sam Snaith. Owen di gwneud yn dda, mae'n mynd yn uniongyrchol, mae Steph Davies yn rhydd, mae'n mynd i hun Owen, yn y cwr Cosby, mae'n codi'r bêl dros Ben Morris, ond dros Ben y bar hefyd. Clutton, oedd yna wthiad yng nghefn Clutton gan Darlington. Alex Darlington, tackle hwyr ganddo fe o'r tu ôl ar Nathan Wood, gwbl ddiangen. Bryn Markham Jones, beth neithe o'r drosedd a mae'n gerdyn coch. Owen yn rhydd! Arbediad ragorol gan Ashley Morris. Ac ar y foli, y bêl yn hedfan tuag at gornel ucharrwyd, ond Ashley Morris, dyna chi arbediad. Amen am ei bedwerydd, nag yw wir ar ergyd yn cael ei thynnu heibio'r postyn gan Nathan Wood. Y croesiad at Franklin, os yna gyfle i Owen yn ffigio ac yn taro'r bar. Wel, dim lwc o gwbl i Aberystwyth hyn o tro hwn. Y bêl yn gwyro, oddi ar yr amddiffynwr yn taro'r bar. Camgymeriad gan Jamie Veal, y bêl gan Wood. Wood ym y cwr Cosby, mae'n rhyddhau Harling am y bedwaredd, nôl at Wood, ac mae'n taro Jenkins ac i mewn i'r rhwyd. Mae Aberystwyth wedi curo ar y drws yn yr ail hanner, ond Penybont sy'n ymestyn i mantais i 4.
Rhys, many congratulations. Your team blew Aberystwyth away in that first half.
Yeah, I thought we were clinical. We've worked really hard in the gap that we've had, the break that we've had. I said to the players before the game how brilliant they've been in this 4-week break we've had. And I thought we showed tonight how strong we are, how clinical we can be. Great for Ben Hammond to get his first, second and third goals of the season. He deserves it because he's worked really hard of late. He's had COVID and injuries and different things. But yeah, I just thought we were organised, strong and clinical first half, and second half was uncomfortable, to be honest with you. I thought they had a right go. A couple of the subs made a difference. Well, Steph Davies made a difference certainly, but it was obviously too late.
Antonio, a disappointing start to 2022. Would you agree that it was men against boys in that first half?
Probably not men against boys, but I'd say, you know, we've done exactly what we did when we played them at home. You know, we've made silly individual errors, and again we've gone 3-0 down early doors. yeah, the second half we had a bit of a reaction, which is a bit positive, but we're not a good enough team to allow teams to have a 3-0 start on us. So yeah, very disappointed.
Ben, a fabulous start to 2022 for you. A hat-trick, a first-half hat-trick, and your first 3 goals of the season.
Yeah, no, it's been a difficult season for me. I've had a big injury at the start of the season, COVID as well, but I'm just starting to get back fit, and obviously with the 2 up front, it made a big difference today.
And Rhys Griffiths has been singing your praises there about you working so hard to get yourself back in shape and back into the team.
Yeah, no, it's like I said, it's been hard to start the season. You know, tore my quad, big injury in pre-season too. So obviously missing the whole of pre-season, coming back during the season, and obviously the team already flying. It's hard to get back when you miss that time, but just keep working hard, and yeah, I've come back.